Hello everyone. It's been a while since I posted a video. I've been busy and just trading on intraday basis mainly. The silver market has been quite, silver and gold has been quite volatile, and been getting a lot of questions about what's happening with the silver and gold. And I thought I'll make a quick video, top-down approach, and see where it's shaping up and how it's shaping up and what's the next move is expected. I'm looking at a weekly chart here of the silver futures, and as you can see, the silver went from $30 to $121 or $122 on the future contract, continuous futures contract. And now it pulled back to 62.5 support, which is a very strong support area. So this, and bounced off that level. That low was 63.90, and I think it went back to around 86, and then it did an ABC correction, which we can dive into the daily chart. So we're gonna go to look at the daily chart here for the same instrument, and this is the same support level here, and just looking at the ABC correction, we got the first initial bounce, first initial support at 71. We bounced to 92 area, and we did the ABC correction. This is an ABC textbook correction at 62.5 support zone on a very long-term chart, which is an area that used to be here as well as a support, a resistance. So just looking at multiple tools, it happened to be the 21 EMA on a weekly chart as well. Moving average. So we did put a low here at 63.90, and that happened, I think, Sunday night at some point back first week of February, and we immediately bounced back up to 87, 86 area. So currently we are pulling back to try to retrace off that low for this leg. The momentum has been down, and the trend has been, short-term trend is in a correction phase. It's not an impulsive move, it's more of a corrective move when it comes to Elliott wave concepts. So we have a divergence on a CCI here, and I am looking for this market to support in this area and start a new leg up for an ABC move to test the 86 and maybe 92 level. Let me point these levels here. Let me remove the Merrimath indicator so it doesn't confuse you. Yeah, so we are looking at this ABC. I'm looking at this ABC move up as long as we don't go below 63.90. We're far away from that level, and it just hit it one day and reversed same day. So it's a very strong area. Lots of buyers came in, and we closed above the 75. So the 75 and the 71 are very strong supports, which happens to be this level is the 71, which is the initial low at the first leg down before the ABC. So 71 is important. This is a good support area. It looks like supporting this level, this zone. And keep in mind, it's a holiday in the US today. It's Monday. So I'm expecting it's a very low volume day. Next week, if we retest, we could retest the 71 area. Honestly, if I don't, at this stage, I'm not gonna forecast or predict or say anything, but it doesn't look like it has enough momentum to go below 71. The low of yesterday was 73.74. This is a good area to look into in the next day or two, depending on the low volume holiday today. It's a good area to position yourself with a good risk reward potential. If this area holds and we break the highs and we start moving higher, we're gonna retest the 86 followed by 92, which will be a very good correction. You're risking maybe a couple of dollars, $2-3 for at least I would say $10. So risk to reward is a good potential and good setup when it comes to trading and managing risk. It looks like more. We haven't got the trigger yet. The trigger would be if we take out tomorrow. If we take out today's high, which happens to be 77.30, I think more buyers will come in and try to push the market higher going into the coming week. CCI, it's in a divergence, so once that happens, this is going to trigger a divergence reversal buy signal as well, which will push the market up to 86 level. As long as we don't take out the 71 and probably the 73, which the low we had yesterday or last night. Also, let's see if we take it out or not, but 71 is the next important. 71 to 73 would be the next important support level we're gonna play against. So looking at the same, let's look at a 240-minute chart. So this is exactly the same as a 204-hour chart, which is 240 minutes. This is the same ABC. And we did an ABC here when we did another 1, 2, 3 in a zigzag. And looking at this is, I would say 1, 2, 3. This is another ABC on a bigger scale. So if this one holds in this area, then we will move. We have a buy signal here almost on the CCI on the 4-hour chart today, but I'm not too confident because of the low volume and holiday in the US. But this is a great signal if it happened during a regular market conditions. But usually markets will follow the signal, and it will be a good long signal with a limited risk just below the 73. We have few levels we need to take out. The 79 before we push higher, 79.80 before we push higher and start. More buyers will come in and push the market towards 86. And maybe we'll get out of this correction zone and break the 92 and retest and try to go towards the 100, which happens to be 62% pullback would be around 100, 102. Keep in mind this low at 101.70. So this is the area I will be targeting if this plays out. Would be around this will be the target for, and if this plays out as anticipated, will be targeting this area, but we have to clear 86, 92, and then towards 100. Still too early. I wouldn't look at it that far so far, but it's pretty decent correction and a textbook correction. So whether we break the 71 and go lower to retest the 63, so 63.90 or 74 area, I see it's far-fetched at this moment, but anything is possible. But I would play against the supports, almost higher low, double bottom here on a 4-hour chart. Hope that gives you a better idea about the overall market from a weekly perspective, daily and intraday and a 4-hour chart. This is the same, this is a 30-minute on a low volume day like today. It did open at 74. It went up and down, and this is just the range it's been correcting. Let's see what the actual when volume comes in tomorrow and the coming few days to see if that area and this support will hold the 73 to 75, or it will retest the 71 first before continuing higher. This is, I thought I'll just give you a good overall analysis of the silver and see how it plays out this week. Good luck, everyone. This is not a trading advice. This is just a setup. I watch closely and I take positions based on that those levels in terms of probability and risk reward is what counts in the end. Managing your risk is the most important thing in trading. It's not about forecasting or predicting and seeing how the market, which direction is going to go. Obviously, it helps, but the most important thing is to find a very good support area to play against or a level to play against so you can manage your risk. So managing your risk is where the money is, and being able to hold your position, trail your stops, and move in the direction and momentum and scale out along the move. So this is just a small trading tip, and all the best, and for everyone who's inquiring about the silver market and trading it. Have a great day, and we'll do an update soon, I hope. Have a good day.